What up? It's your girl Peach here. My channel is about natural hair. Products, tips, tutorials, techniques, anything to help you along the way in your natural hair journey. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the notification button down below. That way you can be notified of all my latest videos and you'll be a part of the Peach Posh crew. Let's get started in this video. Like any other product, you need to do your own research to be sure that the product is suited for you. Peach is not responsible for any complications caused by using these products. Bentonite clay is made from aged volcanic ash. The clay draws out impurities and detoxifies. People have used it for many years for hair, skin, and body. I use it for my hair and my face as a cleanser and a shampoo. Bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar, water, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and almond oil. Also a plastic spoon along with a plastic bowl. I don't usually measure, but I have a list of approximate measurements here. You'll see the apple cider vinegar start to react with the bentonite clay. It's working, it's working. In my mad scientist voice. Alright, so I need to quit. But I'm just gonna go ahead and mix them all together. Make sure that this product is a medium consistency and get all the lumps out. 2 in the front, 2 in the back. I already have my hair sectioned off. I go ahead with this water bottle. I like using this one specifically for my clay washes. I feel like it saturates better. I detangle and I make sure I put more water. The point of using this much water is making sure that the clay is going to glide on. This is about how much clay I use. And I noticed here that I had too much hair. You want to make sure you use small sections whenever you're applying the clay to your hair, just so you can get all the clay on each strand. And I'm going back in with water, making sure it's smooth when I apply the clay. So the way that I apply my clay, I just put the clay onto the hair, I smooth it on, and I rake it through. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the clay to the rest of my head. I'll let you guys listen to some music while I do it. I've been told I look so serious when I'm doing my hair. This is me trying to smile through it. Ooh, that's a lot of hair. Here I'll show you how the hair is clumped together. Maximum clumpage. Again, I forgot a piece of hair. I think it's the same piece that I keep forgetting. Bentonite clay is rich in calcium, magnesium, silica, sodium, copper, iron, and potassium. So you're getting all those beautiful nutrients. So the clay works, it has a negative charge and it attracts a positive charge. That's all the products that are built up on your hair and scalp. I will go ahead and list for you guys some of the places where I found this information. It'll be down in the description box below. There are many different ways to use bentonite clay. You can either use it or take it internally as a supplement, shampoo or cleanser, a facial mask, deodorant, bath soak. That's just to name a few of the things. This product has so many different uses. Now, using bentonite clay as a shampoo or cleanser, it moisturizes the hair, conditions, softens, reduces frizz, increases definition, and enhances shine. All the things that I like. I'm going to go ahead and apply the clay to my face. As a facial mask, it tightens and shrinks large pores, tones, firms the skin, and controls oily skin. Again with the serious face. I don't know why I have these faces, y'all. As the clay starts to dry, your face will tighten and the clay will crack. That's when it's time to rinse out the clay. I go ahead and apply a deep conditioner. Check out that wave pattern. This is what my hair looks like after I've applied the deep conditioner. I can see that there's a lot of definition. This might be why I make the faces that I make when I'm doing my hair. Seems like I got a lot going on. Bentonite clay can be drying, so I found that applying deep conditioner really helps. Now, I didn't sit underneath the dryer because I was tired, but I know that I get my best results when I sit underneath the dryer with a plastic cap for about 20 minutes. I have now rinsed out my deep conditioner, and this is what type of definition I have. My hair doesn't have a distinct curl pattern, it's more of a wave. There is no product in my hair, and it still has some definition. I think the clay did its job. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.